Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Okay, hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you know or you may don't know that my name is Nghia. Yeah, and I have been doing a travel vlog for the past 1 year. And in today's video, I will share some filming equipment that I use to make my videos. The first one is my GoPro Hero 4.
Alright, so here is my GoPro Hero 4 Black. It's small and portable. It doesn't come with an LCD screen, so it saves a lot of energy. So this is DMI, and right here you can export all your videos, and this is SD card. And right here is a button to start the camera. Yeah, it's so fast. You see, I have 6 footsteps here. Right, this is either the button to start filming, and this is either the setting button. Right. So if I hold it on my hand like this, it will be shaking and not stable. Okay, this image a year ago, and one thing that I really like about this camera is its time-lapse option. It can film with HD option also. At that time I was using this tripod to film, so put my GoPro here and I hold it on my hand like this. Yeah. If I just hold it on my hand, the video will look like this. Later on I have to buy this gimbal, this is smooth kill, and it's perfectly perfect. Okay, so I put my GoPro right here. It can use for phone and GoPro also. So you see, even when I'm running, its stabilization is still so good. This GoPro Hero 4 also comes with a waterproof case, so I'll put my GoPro here and I can film some footage under the water. So here it is as an example. See, many fish. This is in Suima Park of Dong Nai province.
And the second one is my Canon 200D. I purchased this before the pandemic, before the COVID-19.
One thing that I really like about this camera is its flippable screen. See, it's so flexible. It is easy to turn on, just like the option right here. Yeah, you can click here to watch some footage, some photos. It's the touch screen, so you just need to touch on it. You can also set up for the camera by choosing this function that plays on the screen. So it's really easy to use, and I recommend this one for a newbie. And it is filming option. The screen looks like photo shooting option. Click here to film. So here I have an 1855 lens. So this one is good to film objects that's far away from me, like this. This is lens 24. It's good for micro.
Now I'm filming with my iPhone 6. I don't use this to film travel vlogs very often. I did use this one, so I put the link right here for you to check it. So with this GoPro Hero 4 and this Canon, I think it's enough for me to travel, to film, to make videos, and to share my experience, my experience to you guys. And I hope that I can receive a lot of comments from you guys to help me develop my storytelling skill, to make my videos more interesting. So if you want to start your travel career, or you want to take travel and make it become your habit, I don't suggest that you have to buy all the stuff at the same time. You can do the same that I did. Like, I bought this one first, and then I bought like let me see, a year ago, and then like 9 months later I bought this one. Okay, so you don't have to invest your money all at the same time, because so if you are rich, you can do it, of course, but you know that I'm that poor. Or you can even start that with your phone. If you have an iPhone or an Android mobile, you can, yeah, of course you can do it. It's just easy. Just go and take photo or do video, and then boom, put it out there on the internet, or keep it for yourself, right?
I forgot to mention a lifesaver of Hero 4 and Canon.
So I really hope that you enjoy watching my videos and other videos of mine, like travel videos. And if you want to know more about a GoPro, Canon, so or the gimbal, so please keep your comment down below. I'm happy to reply and to give you all the information that I have. Okay, and that's all for this time. See you in the next video.